Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to draw your attention to a press release which is saying dining is back as America gets vaccinated. Now, as you may know, that vaccination is going on and it's been uh, across the globe. When you're talking about US, vaccinated has been going on in a very rapid manner, and more specifically if you're looking at the numbers, and which is this one, that 75% to 87% on March 29, and that is the percentage of diners. And if you see, very recently the diners reached 97% of 2019 levels, and in some places like Florida or New Jersey, it's been at 100% in recent days. So you can see that dining out is already there and has come back, and the hotels, restaurants, and all the leisure factory facilities may work in a smooth manner in the coming days. Now, in the midst of this, one stock that will come out is this one. So this is the chart of Starbucks Corporation. Now, if you look at this stock, you don't find any such volatility, and more specifically, this is what has happened when the stock crashed in the year 2020, and since then it's a one way up, and it is standing very tall and very firm. Okay, so there is nothing called it's going to crash again, because nothing is saying that the chart will go down, although the chart may dips a bit, but the overall trend is very strong and very smooth, I would say. Now, if you're looking at this chart, let me zoom this chart for you. So if you're looking at this chart, what you can see here is a trend like this. Now, although this is a short term trend, but it is indicating that it is very near to its breakout zone. Whether it will become the breakout or the resistance zone, that time will tell. But if the stock makes a breakout above $125, it will be a start of a new or fresh rally. Okay, a fresh movement in the stock will come, and that lead the stock to newer highs. Now, where does it go if it makes a breakout above 125? For that, we need to take some guidance from the previous trend, and it is saying that if the stock makes a breakout and sustain above 124 $125, then the big target in the upcoming years will lead you towards or in between $407 per share. Now, let us understand one thing first. When these kind of supernatural phenomena happen across the globe, and more specifically in terms of stocks, if you can see that the entire sector and the industry gone through a very bad phase, I would say, and there are lots of companies which will probably never come back. you know Now, in this phase, if any stock make its head high and standing very tall without any much volatility, so when things change, they are the one who takes the lead and takes the rally or the price movement forward. So if you're looking at this stock, you will see a very sharp trend, and you can see the stock will probably give you much better return, although the speed will be not as high as the penny stocks, but it will definitely give you better returns when compared to other stocks. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.